Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel Sudama Lab. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Windows 11 27HT on your PC so that you can install it to test the features and new changes over Windows 11 27HT. So let's get started. Microsoft's quietly testing something big, a new Windows 11 27H2 in Canary build that many believe could be early version of Windows 11 27H2. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download it. But there is a catch. This is not an official announcement version yet. Right now, Microsoft has not officially confirmed Windows 11 27H2. However, in this Windows Insider Canary channel, we're seeing the highest number, that is 29,560 series. And this is important, because Microsoft usually uses the Canary channel to test future Windows platform changes, experimental features, long-term updates beyond current release. That's why many insiders believe this build could be the early development stage of 27H2, or even the part of foundation for the next generation of Windows. And unlike stable updates, these builds are consistently changing. Features can appear and disappear overnight. So what you're seeing here is basically a preview of the future of Windows. Now if you want to try this build yourself for testing, there isn't always an official ISO available for every Canary release. But since the update package are publicly available for Microsoft servers, you can create an ISO using UEP dump method. Here is how step-by-step method. Just open the browser and just search for UEP dump, and here is the website. Open it, and now here select Canary channel and scroll. Select your architecture here. AMD 64 is for most PCs and ARM 64 is for ARM devices. Here you can see AMD 64, that is for every Intel or AMD processors. And if you run a newer hardware like Snapdragon X Elite or Snapdragon ARM processors, then you're gonna choose this one. Now I'm gonna choose this one. Here choose your language and click on next. Now here you're gonna choose your Windows version, select the versions you want and then click on next. And here you choose download and convert to ISO and select this one, include updates Windows Convert only, and then scroll and select create download package. When it's downloaded, close your browser. And now go to this PC, go to download folder, and here you see the zip file. Right click on it and extract it. When extracted, you can delete the zip file. Now open the folder, and here you will see an executable file. Right click on it and select run as administrator. Click on run, click on yes, minimize this. Now here, to run this, type R and hit enter. The script will run automatically and download the files from Microsoft server. After downloading, it will convert into bootable ISO. The whole process may take 2 to 3 hours depending on your internet speed and system resources. Once it's completed, it will show finished. Just on the keyboard, press Q and it will be exit. Now just go to the File Explorer again, and in the folder you will find the ISO file with the build number, that is 29,560. So now before you install this, you need to understand something very important. The Canary builds are highly experimental, not stable, not meant for daily use. You may face bugs, performance issues, broken features, so always use a virtual machine or secondary PC to test. So that's everything you need to know about Windows 11 27H2 build in the Canary channel. It's not officially confirmed yet, but it definitely gives us a sneak peek into the future of Windows. So if you want more updates on upcoming Windows features, insider builds, and hidden changes, make sure to subscribe to Sudama Lab. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.